Wow guys, this thing is awesome. A Ford Transit RV. I never thought that these things would be this cool, but now maybe they are because we did a ton of stuff to them at WeldTec Designs here, guys. Let's talk about what we did. So here it is. This is a Ford Transit. This is an HD version, and this is a Winnebago Fuse. Now, what's cool about this is some of these components will also work for other Ford Transits like the Winnebago Echo. So in our never-ending goal to just make a ton of killer parts for all of you Ford Transit people, we continue with this. So we're gonna show you everything that we did on this, starting with the front end. Well, of course, you can't miss an awesome set of Method wheels. Now, this is gonna be the Method 901, and this is a dually version since it is an HD. So this, I mean, is just completely sexy on here. I do love it. And as far as tire size, we did go to a 215/85/16. So a lot bigger tire than the 195/70/16 that came on this. So bigger tire, more ground clearance. That's definitely going to be a plus on your Ford Transit. So the next thing that we did do up here is we added our 3-inch lift spindle to the front of this. Now, keep in mind, guys, that if you have a HD version, you will need to make sure that you order the HD version kit on the website. Don't order just the normal Transit stuff. There is a secret recipe to make all of this work, but it's giving us that 3 inches of lift that we need to get this bigger tire, which is really nice. We opted not to go to the Bilstein shocks on there because we don't want to completely ruin the ride, and I feel that it rides really nice without them. Other than that, that's pretty much it on there. I will tell you, I would come in here and do a little bit of trimming. Maybe we'll bring this back in the shop, trim that up just a little bit. We would definitely want to make sure that we're giving you a ton of clearance on here. But man, talk about simple and nice. I really like this. We're not done. Let's go check out the back. We're gonna come to the back of this, tell you all the things that we did to the back of this to make it awesome. Now, as you saw, we took this thing to the weigh station. We wanted to know exactly what it weighs because the progressive springs for the rear of these are to the weight of the vehicle. It's not just a generic spring that one size fits all. We're not running our normal Transit springs in the back of these Winnebago Fuses. So what we have done in the back of this is put a progressive set of leaf springs in the rear to give us all of the height. We actually got almost 5 inches of height out of the back of this. You can see the rear of it does sit a little bit higher, and that's a big plus because we don't want the tail dragging going in and out of driveways. I mean, this thing just sat ridiculously low to the ground when it came in here. Now, we're running that same size tire in the front and in the rear. So again, this is a 215, I'm used to the Class C wheels. A 215/85/16 tire, and that is again on that Method wheel. Man, these dually wheels just look so nice on this Ford Transit. So the last thing we did in the rear of this, we did add a set of Fox shocks to the rear to control the ride in it. And I mean, it's just awesome. I mean, of course I want you to take my word for it, but I figure, hey, let's go take this thing for a drive and see how it really is and see what you think. The thing that is pretty cool about this is this does have the diesel engine in it. I don't even know what size the diesels are for the Fords. Comment down below, let me know. Teach me something because I don't even know. I was surprised when I got in this to even see that. Well, I didn't see the diesel, I heard it. So we are going on our normal test drive, and I will tell you the big thing that I noticed in driving this originally was that even in making the turns, much like the Class C RVs in the Ford E-Series chassis, they do have a lot of body roll. And the problem is the body roll isn't controlled. You kind of turn and then it wants to go back the other way, where the goal with this is to have it more stabilized, which is going to be a benefit driving it. Now, having the springs built out for the actual weight of this is going to be really beneficial too, reducing the amount of sway that this is going to have. And as we enter this driveway right here, that's going to be a big tell. It really is just planted. It's nice. And as we're going to make a U-turn here, which was more of a circle. Wow, we didn't get that back and forth body roller extreme leaning that we would get, and then the recovery lean. I mean, it's nice coming out of that driveway. Boom, well, there it is, guys. We got to not only check out our new 3-inch HD kit for the Winnebago Fuse, but we also went and drove it. I can't tell you, I was actually really impressed at how nice this drives now. When I first drove it, I was very unimpressed and thought, God, this thing really sucks. And I'm not just saying that because I want to sell you the kit. Like, it genuinely drives really nice on the freeway and just driving it around town, guys. If you are in the area, you want to come by, check one of these things out. We're going to be doing a lot more of them. I do know that, which is really cool. I'm excited for that. I'm excited for all the new transit parts that we are currently building and that are in the pipeline for you guys. But this is a Winnebago Fuse. This is our 3-inch HD kit. I know that you found something in this video formative because you're still hanging out with me right now. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you like about this. And maybe, hey, what you don't like about it. I'm okay with that as well. If you have any questions about this lift kit, put them down in the comments below. I'll put a link to the kit on our website. And otherwise, smash that subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up. I'm Jeremy from Jeremy's World 10. See you guys in the next video.